In this video, we will overview the report categories in ServiceCEO. To see a detailed breakdown of the options within each category, please watch the videos that lay out the options in each category. This video is simply an overview describing each one. The customer list report category helps you put together lists of your customers, their contacts, and their locations. You can get this in a report that will have all of the information, but you can also use this to generate mailing labels, email campaign lists, or phone call campaign lists. You can do this off of a variety of criteria. Most common criteria are usually the customer's location, the last time they had a service done, how they heard about you, when they were entered into the system, and other various criteria. The next category is the marketing campaign category. This category lets you put together a report to show how much revenue was generated from each of your marketing campaigns. This can be viewed on a weekly, monthly, or annual basis. However, a monthly view is typically the best way to get good quality information that's not too granular over too long of a period. This will list out all the marketing campaigns that generated new customers in a time period, and will either break out a raw number, how much came in total, or will break it out customer by customer, how much revenue was garnered through each marketing campaign. The employee hours worked category allows you to put together reports showing the total number of hours that a particular employee worked. This can be used to extrapolate payroll figures or simply to figure out the total utilization of your employees. The estimate analysis category helps you report on the sales side of things in ServiceCEO. In here you can do everything from putting together a pipeline report, all of your open sales opportunities, and do some revenue projection off of there, to comparing the performance of different salespeople, who brings in deals the fastest, who brings in the most revenue, who closes the highest percentage of deals. And also you can track estimated versus actual costs, which means what you estimated a job for versus what you actually billed on the job, to track upsells and see when and why there are deltas between what you quoted a job at versus what you actually bill for it. Accounts receivable is just that. It's AR. Who owes us how much money, what job is it for, and how long overdue is it. The job analysis category helps you put together lists of jobs and work orders in ServiceCEO. These are often used with the same criteria that you would use in the work order custom views, and really allow you to put together lists of jobs in a format that gives you more information than you would see in strictly a work orders list in the work orders tab. The payment report will list out all the payments you've received. Typically this is used to break out types of payments, so over the last month, how much did I receive in cash versus check versus credit card versus other types of payments. Revenue allows you to report on your total revenue, either projected or actual revenue, meaning dollars that we've actually been paid on or dollars that we project to be revenue based on the date that they were scheduled in the system. You can break out revenue by your charges, by your charge category, by your employees, by business units if you're using them, and by a number of other things to get some very valuable information regarding the performance of your company. Finally, in the tax report, you put together lists and information on how much tax you collected in a particular time frame. Again, to see a detailed breakdown of the criteria and layout options in each report category, please see the specific report training videos.